If you guys are still using bot to do your meme coin trading, just stop. We have a new bot on the block. I'm gonna be going over this, and in this video, we're gonna be doing some live sniping. So this is the latest in sniping technology. There's just no other bot I've seen like this. So unlike bot, we're gonna get you in the trade automatically, but we're also gonna get you out. A lot of you guys have been asking, how do I set a take profit? How do I set a stop loss once I'm in the trade with a robot? So Sniper can do that, see? It's automate all your trades fully. Okay, that's in and out for protection with stop losses. I'm gonna be demoing that live with you guys. Like I said, we're gonna be doing a live trade in a few, but it's just one thing on this website that I really wanna highlight. So we're in the actual app right now, and up here, we have the documents section, we have the pricing structure, which we already went over, and we have the FAQ. And if we scroll down some, this is the wallet section, pretty self-explanatory. So before we jump into it, let's check out the buy and sell settings. All right, so over here on the right-hand side, this is how we're gonna set this bot up. You guys can copy what I'm doing, or you kind of customize it to your own likings. But for the buy amount, like I said, you always wanna start small. As far as the priority fee goes, keep it just the way it is. You can always increase it if you want every transaction to land, but I'm cool with the 0.001. Slippage, we're gonna crank it up a little bit. Default, it's set to 30, but let's bump it up to 50. Reason why we wanna do that is we just wanna make sure that we can get into trade. So let's scroll down and let's talk about the sell features. So now when it comes to taking profit, don't want to be too greedy and you don't want to rob yourself. So let's bump it up to 50%. So you're putting $100 in, you're looking for $50 profit, pretty much. You're gonna need a stop loss, you need to protect your money because you can't win every single trade, right? It's a probability game, but I like to leave that 20% right there. As far as slippage goes, default is at 30. We're gonna bump this up to just a 50 because we want to make sure that we can get out. So we're gonna pay a little bit of premium for that. As far as the timeout goes, I'm gonna leave it 160 seconds. Priority fee, we're gonna keep it at the 0.001. Trailing stop loss is a little bit too advanced. If you're just starting out, let's just go ahead and ignore that. And let's check out safety. So top 10 holders. A little bit complicated, but I'm gonna simplify it. This is how you avoid those ruts. So I'm gonna bring mine down to 25%, not gonna get into the details of it right now. You could just go ahead and copy my settings because I know you guys just want to jump into this stuff right here and start making some money. Max, same block buys, we're gonna keep it at 10. And we're just gonna keep the safety check period at 10 seconds. Liquidity burn, it usually takes some time for liquidity to be burned if you guys watch any of my videos. So I'm just gonna leave that blank, and I'm just gonna leave all of this blank because we're trying to snipe meme coins as they're launching. That's the whole purpose of this bot. So we have to leave a lot of this stuff unchecked. Only thing I'm concerned about right here is this one. Only tokens migrated from pump.fun. And that's it. That's it, traders. We are ready to run this thing. And like I said, we're gonna do it together. If you guys are excited, hit that like button for me. We're gonna run this bot right now. Let's go. Alright, so we are in a trade right now, and this day is working awesome. Look at this. We could see the profits moving live, so wow. Let's see if we can expand this a little bit. Look at this. I'm up 11% on this thing. This is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. I know we received a big dump right there. Could be just somebody selling, taking profits. Wow, look at it. See? Wow. I mean, that's how markets work, We go up, we pull back, we go up, we pull back. Whatever, let the bot do its thing. Let's chill out. What I want to do is see if I could open one of these on DexScreener to see what is going on here. See if I could pull it up. Alright, so and we're on the 1 second chart right here. That's why things are moving so quick. Okay, pulled up this thing. Alright, so we pulled up this thing right here. I'm not too interested in this. Just go back on over here. to our bot. Alright, so looks like we sold and we're all out. I didn't do anything, the bot did everything, but what I want to do is I want to pull this up on DexScreener because I know that's what everyone is familiar with. So let's see what's going on with the DEX. I am human, however, I'm using a robot today. Is that okay? Here is what it looks like on DexScreener. So right now, we could see that we sold. And we have a buy sell right here, but I'm on the daily. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on the minute, see what I get here. So it looks like I bought about 1 minute in and I sold the very next minute. Wow, look at that, my sell is higher than my buy. What does that mean? Profit. But what we really want to see right here is the 1 second chart. So I'm just going to come down here, click on 1 second, and I'm just going to kind of maximize my chart right here. Okay, and double click on this. Start doing some zoom action. So it looks like, I'm just going to draw some lines right here. So it looks like we bought in this area right here, or the bot bought in this area right here, and we sold in this area right there. So, wow, I mean, I should have sold up here, but that was probably my settings. So I just wanted to do some test settings here, so I'm super excited to really get into this, and I'm gonna be making some more videos on Soul Sniper and how to really dial in and use this going forward. Like I said, this was just a test video. My point of this whole video was to just not manually trade. So I wanted to show you guys how to set this stuff up on autopilot and how fast and accurate this bot is. You could see that we launched right here, and not even 2 minutes in, we automatically bought. We survived this big dump right here, and we sold right there on my settings. You guys can customize the settings to how you like and set it up the way you guys want to set it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and stop this bot right now.